welcome back. My name is Jara, and I'm so glad to be with you today because you guys, I have been shopping. So I am going to have a couple of videos coming of haul videos. So this particular video, I want to share with you a Vera Bradley haul and a Kate Spade. So if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, you guys, let's start off with this Vera Bradley product right here. This is a, what do they call this? The triple zip hipster in the pattern Paisley Jamboree. And I got 3 items in this pattern. This has a zipper here on the outside, another zipper, and then on the back there's a slip pocket here. Here's the Vera Bradley tag. It's kind of flat, crossbody. Here's the crossbody strap. It is not detachable. I wanted to try to show you guys here. Vera Bradley is engraved on the hardware here. Here is what the inside of it looks like. This beautiful blue paisley print lining. On the inside there's a slip pocket, a zipper pocket. And then look, even the zipper pull, you see the zipper pull is blue to match the lining. I kind of like that. I'm just now noticing that. And so that's it for this triple zip hipster. And along with that, I purchased the mini cosmetic case. It looks like this in the same pattern. This is a retired pattern. So I guess I'm kind of new to Vera Bradley, so I don't know exactly how things work. But under the Vera Bradley retired pattern section, this pattern is there. So I'm assuming that this is going to be non-existent pretty soon, this pattern. I think that's how that works. I don't know. So anyway, here is a mini cosmetic case. And it has the same blue lining, paisley lining as the hipster crossbody bag. Oh, let me take that out of there. And it has a clear PVC plastic linings that is wipeable. And did I show the outside pocket? It looks like that. So this pocket doesn't have the blue paisley print. And then the last item that I purchased in that print, this is the AirPods bag charm. So it's just a little charm that you can attach to your bag or whatever. Opens up like this. It has that same blue paisley print. And then you can put your AirPods in here and maybe even something else. Or you can use it for something other than your AirPods. So those are the 3 items that I got in this Paisley Jamboree print. Next, I want to share with you guys my other pattern that I really like. This is a new pattern from Vera Bradley. And this is called Island Garden. This particular piece right here is a new piece from Vera Bradley, and it's called the Mini Tote Pack. So it's shaped like a tote, and it's also a backpack. Now y'all know I gotta have me a backpack. Y'all know I have to fit a backpack in this haul someplace. So here are the backpack straps. I think that let me give y'all a close look of this pattern. Island Garden. So pretty, you guys. So on the front there's a zippered pocket. There's let's see, here's the back. There's no pocket on the back. And then when you open up inside, you guys, look at that beautiful pattern there. White background with some florals and some dragonflies. Can you guys see the dragonflies? I love dragonflies, okay? So this inside lining, it really sold me because yeah, it's hard to kind of find things. It's rare to find things with dragonflies on it. So I was sold. So the inside of this has a zippered back pocket, and then there's two slip pockets, one here and one here. You have gusseted sides, and then it just zips up, double zipper here. This one here. Oh, I also forgot to show you guys that on the back there's a hidden pocket here, zip pocket right here, and it goes all the way over to this side. Let's see, how can I show y'all? Like this. See? It can go all the way up past my wrist, so that's nice. So even a larger size cell phones can fit in there. So along with this, I had to purchase a wallet, and this is a RFID double zip ID wallet, and it looks like this. Show y'all that. Here's where your ID or whatever card you want to put there. Double zipper. Here you have a pocket, and then the other zipper, there's a pocket and a slip pocket. So there's plenty of room for your cards, whatever you want to put in here. So I'm going to try to use this as a wallet. And you have a wristlet strap here that is not detachable. But I had learned this trick from Amber Plans Her, no, not Amber Plans Her Day, but her channel name has her name Amber in it. And so she showed where you can tuck this in, this strap, this wristlet strap in, like right here at the top. Tuck it away, out of the way if you want to. So I kind of like that. That was a nice tip, Amber. So the last item that I purchased in the Island Garden print is the wide loop keychain. Looks like that. Okay. So you guys, those are the 3 items that I purchased in the Island Garden pattern. All right. Alright, you guys, now I want to share with you 2 items that I purchased from Kate Spade. So here I want to share with you guys the medium market tote. Ooh. In the color parchment. So this bag currently is on sale, and this was 2022 I think summer and fall bag. So I think that is one of the reasons why it's on clearance. So this is a made out of a striped fabric with faux leather trim. So this is a fully vegan bag right here, you guys. So here is what the front of it looks like. This is going to be a summertime bag for me. Let me say that. Okay. So it has gold hardware. Here's the front. You have your Kate Spade emblem here, trimmed in this like a vanilla color here. Here's the side. Here's the back. There's no pocket. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. And there are 4 feet here on the bottom. And then you have your faux leather piece right here to reinforce the bottom. Okay. So let me give you guys a peek of what the inside looks like. Okay. So here's what the top of her looks like. Zippered entry. Kind of has this top like the Marc Jacobs tote bag has. And a lot of tote bags have this type of opening. So pretty, you guys. I can't wait to carry this spring and summer. So the inside is made out of some type of like canvas type fabric. Beautiful vanilla color inside. And then the front has a slip pocket in here that's kind of wide. And then the back has a slip pocket. I don't think you can see. Okay, maybe you guys can get a little look of what the inside of it looks like. Okay, and it comes with this yellow tassel here that has Kate Spade. What do you call this? Like hot stamped in gold right there. So yeah, that is that for the medium, which is kind of big, y'all. I think this is big a little bit. Okay, the medium, what is this called again? The medium market tote. Okay, I think it's a nice, beautiful summertime bag. And so, to go along with it, I purchased this wallet. This is the style name is called the Knot wallet. And it's made out of pebbled leather. It's the slim style zip around continental type of wallet. And the color of this is called Bungalow. This is also currently on sale. It has the gold hardware, gold zipper. The Kate Spade is here in gold. Here's what the inside of her looks like. There's a total of about 8 card slots here. You have your zippered section here where you could put change or whatever. And then you have a section here, a section here, here, and here. And there's an outside pocket here. So this wallet has a nice amount of sections in here. It's a nice size wallet too, you guys. I think it's perfect with this tote. Okay. So there's something else I wanted to say. What was it? Oh yeah, y'all. This wallet costs the same as the bag. Okay. This little wallet costs the same amount as this bag. $138. This was actually $139 on sale. I think that's expensive. You know, to me it is. And then the tote on sale for $138. So this was actually like $1 more. So anyway, I wanted it. What do you guys think? You think that's a good match? I do. So that is that. Oh, and then let me mention that the tote came with the Kate Spade dust bag. Alright, you guys. So that is it for this video. And I want to thank all of my subscribers, both existing and new. I noticed that I'm gaining, I'm growing every week, more and more subscribers. Thank you guys. Thanks so much. I highly appreciate it. So stick around, okay? Stick around my channel because I have more hauls to come. All right, you guys? So until next time, everybody, stay safe out there, okay? Bye.